Hey everyone, on the free video today, I want to show you how I broke one of my rules. And I'm not doing this live, the market's closed. So the rule I broke was that I went to go off to a coffee shop today in Austin. I'm getting slammed trying to finish up the rewrites to Mastering the Trade. And I wasn't going to trade, so I wasn't watching the markets or anything like that. And of course, I pulled out my iPhone, checked my quotes on TOS, and then I noticed that we broke 1208 on the S&Ps. I thought, okay, that's a pretty big negative here. That was a pretty key level. We came back down. So as I'm writing, I brought up my things, and then I started watching the ticks, and I had to get short. So the rule was I wasn't going to trade because I was working on the book. So the trade that I did was right. This one? Okay. Yeah, all right. So there was a squeeze here. Did that one, and then essentially just stayed in until it ran out of momentum. So that was good for like 2 points. And then this squeeze came up. It fired off long. I wasn't interested in the long side. Why? Even though the market was up on the day, because I was really watching the ticks, and the ticks were obviously spending a lot of quality time here with these sell programs. There was no buy programs. Okay, and so this is like one of the tricks when you're reading ticks, is seeing where the extremes are. Okay, and if you see that there are extreme levels on the sell side, okay, even though the market was up on the day, right? These are all extreme minus 1,000 tick readings, but the upper levels couldn't even get past 400, then you do not want to buy a long squeeze. Okay, you want to focus on the path of least resistance. Think it's almost like a C wave. Okay, so long squeeze happened. I wasn't interested in it. So what I did here is then when the long squeeze lost momentum, like about here, and I actually got in late here because I was actually trying to write, I did pick up some contracts at, it was 11.99.5, and then I had targets of +2 and just got out. So my trading rule was that I was not going to trade. However, when I did trade, I did follow my plan. So I guess you can, I'm not sure exactly how I should punish myself on that. It's just that it's tough when it's like, would you rather write about trading or trading? And I would rather trade. So I think what I'm going to have to do, and just so you guys know, is next week, I actually really am so behind on the rewrites for the book that I'm going to check myself into a hotel for 3 days next week and just try to knock it out. I'm not sure exactly how that's going to go down, doing all this from a hotel, but I have to get it done. So that'll be a lot of fun. I'm looking forward to that. But otherwise, that's what we got for today. You guys have good trading, and we'll see you at the next update.